Press the like button within 2 seconds for some help. Welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix NAT type or net type problem in GTA 5 or any other games. If you have net type static in your GTA 5 and all your friends are leave from your session, then this video is for you. If you are new here, then subscribe my YouTube channel and press the like button. So don't be late, let's start the video. Now I'm going to show you how to make net type static to moderate. First of all, you have to open your browser. Then you have to search speedtest.com.sg. Then press go. It will show your internet speed, ping and upload speed and your IP address. Here is your IP address. Now you have to open a new tab. Then you have to search in Google, can you see me? Then go inside the first link, then press check. If you are using dedicated or personal IP address, then it will show you, it can see you. If you are using a public IP address, then it will show you, I could not see your server. Now I'm going to tell you how to solve this problem. If you are using a public IP address, then you have to open your Microsoft App Store. Then you have to search Touch VPN. Then you have to install the Touch VPN. When it's download complete, then you have to open the Touch VPN and make sure it will connected to your internet. When the VPN connected to your internet, then you have to start GTA 5. First you have to join story mode in GTA 5. Then you have to go to setting, then online, then play online, then go. Wait for some time. Then when you join online session, then press jet, watch it. There is 25 people in my public session. Then press home, then press setting, then network, then it will show you, the net type is moderate, so you can change your net type with this way. Or now I'm going to tell you, if you want to make it net type open, then what should you do? First of all, if you want to make it open, then you definitely need an dedicated or personal IP address for NAT type open. If you are using personal or dedicated IP address, then it will automatically show you net type is open. So I think it should be clear for you. Okay, that's all for today. If you like this video, if it's helped, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the like button. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.